As I make sankayama from traditional recipes of Laos, I'm reminded that Lao Joy is right around the corner. Whenever the fourth month of the year approaches, it feels like Lao Month, a period where we all celebrate our Lao Joy at the highest peaks. Kids smiling from ear to ear as they splash each other, and takbad in the morning to share respect and humility to the monks. I didn't grow up attending these large celebrations, so I was hesitant to attend my first New Year as a young adult. I thought I'd feel out of place, but I was wrong. I felt so welcomed, as if it was a family reunion of strangers connected through the white blessing strings. I'm always learning something new and hope you join to celebrate as well. You'll have access to all the traditional Lao foods that took several hours to prepare, like gang no mai and lap gai. Every time I eat Lao food, I'm reminded it's never too late to be Lao. It's okay to feel awkward, because I promise you that feeling will melt away when you're around people that are always sabai sabai. They're similar to your palmea, maybe your and probably your nong sai, who's learning all these traditions as well. Lao joy doesn't have a start or end, because it's an eternal journey waiting for you to join the Lumbong dance.